So go ahead and double click on the photo that you want resized in Windows 11. Click on these three dots here that says See More. Come down to Resize. Click on Define Custom Dimensions. And here is the dimensions for the current image. So go ahead and uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. Type in the new width. Type in the new height. If you want, you can slide this all the way up to preserve the quality. Click Save Resize Copy. Give it a new name. Save it. And now if we close this, let's go to the newly resized photo, and you see here the image size has decreased quite a bit as well. It went from almost 1.5 megs to 500 kilobytes. So if you confirm here, we open back the resized version of the photo, click on the three dots, come down to resize, define custom dimensions, and there you have it, your new size. So that's it.